Thanks to Kim, the All Recipes member who submitted this gingerbread men recipe. It doesn't use molasses, but butterscotch pudding instead. Another member writes, "These taste milder, which is good because my kids don't usually like gingerbread, but they like these. This dough was easy to handle, roll, cut, and decorate. I will make these again." Begin this recipe by putting 1½ cups of all-purpose flour into a medium bowl. Add a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ teaspoons of ground ginger, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir to mix well. Next, add a ½ cup of softened butter to a bowl and pour a 3½ ounce package of butterscotch cook and serve pudding. Add a ½ cup of packed brown sugar. Beat with an electric mixer on medium speed until blended. Then beat in a large egg until it's blended. Beat in the flour mixture until just blended. Do not overbeat. Wrap the dough in a large sheet of plastic wrap and chill for about an hour or until it's firm. When ready to make the cookies, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease a couple of baking sheets. Lightly flour a surface. Divide the cookie dough in half. Keep the dough you are not using covered and refrigerated. Using a lightly floured rolling pin, roll out one piece of the dough to about 1/8 of an inch thickness. Using a gingerbread man cookie cutter, cut out the figures. Place the cutout cookies about 2 inches apart on the prepared baking sheets. Use a small offset spatula to help transfer the cookies. Then repeat the process with the remaining dough. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the cookies are golden at the edges. Set the baking sheet on a wire rack to cool for about 3 minutes. Then transfer the cookies to the racks to cool completely. Decorate the cookies with royal icing.